In this video, we'll explain what pallets are, what they're used for, and how to prepare them for shipping. Pallets are flat structures used to support goods and containers for more efficient shipping. For example, if you need to ship 30 boxes, it's much quicker to put them on one pallet than it is to ship 30 boxes individually. The uniform shape of the pallets makes them easy to stack and store. Many warehouses use pallets for this reason. Pallets are available in several materials. A standard wood pallet or plastic pallet is the recommended choice. Now let's go through the steps to prepare a pallet for shipping. First, to ensure maximum stacking strength, place the boxes in circles, starting from the outside and making your way in. And if the contents of your shipment requires it, you can use the bricklayer style for increased stability. For a strong, compact and stackable pallet, try to keep the top level flat. Non-stackable pallets will incur a surcharge and have a higher risk of damage. You should also make sure the structure is strong enough to support another pallet. To reduce the risk of damage, make sure your items fit squarely on the pallet with no boxes hanging over the edge. Next, you need to wrap the pallet. Stretch the wrapping over the entire pallet to ensure the items are tightly secured. You can also use straps for extra protection. Finally, make sure the package label is clearly visible. If the pallets are stacked for transport, labels need to be put on the side of the pallets. Once this is done, check the pallet is packed securely and then you're ready to ship. Thanks for watching. Explore the Shipping channel for more videos.